Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 3, Episode 43, and in this episode, we're going to answer the question, what are the different types of microscopes? Does anyone know? Does anyone want to take a guess? Anyone? Alright, so let me go ahead and answer that question. So what are the different types of microscopes? Well, let me go through them as kind of a list and just kind of briefly mention a few other things. The different types of microscopes are as follows. There are simple, compound, scanning electron microscope, abbreviated by SEM, transmission electron microscopes, which is abbreviated by TEM, inverted microscope, metallurgical microscope, polarizing microscope, confocal microscope, and stereo microscope. Now, as you can see, microscopes are quite diverse and have developed quite a bit since the first one that was invented, as we talked about in the previous video, in 1590. Now, in the next few videos, I'm going to go over what these other microscopes are, because I imagine a lot of these we've never heard of, and we're curious what they may do, and I'll get to that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on now to our fun science fact of the day. Get this, did you know that the shell is 12% of an egg's weight? Yes, you heard me correctly. 12% of the egg's weight is the shell. Pretty cool to think about, which leaves the remaining, let's see, that would be 88% everything else. Pretty interesting. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me for another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question that's at the end of the video. And as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day and goodbye.